Hi Pradeep,
Hi, ma'am. Good morning.
how are you?
Fine, ma'am. You?
Yeah, I am good, Pradeep. Okay, this is Aruna from Quality Department. Just a
Yes.
feedback interview from your side, Pradeep. Before starting that, first of all, congrats for your placements.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, all about your introduction, Pradeep.
Yes, ma'am. Myself, Pradeep. I'm graduated from Cambridge Institute of Technology, Bangalore only. So I'm basically from Chitradurga district. And I did my course, CACM course in CMTI, Jayanagar.
Okay, how did you get to know CMTI?
Ma'am, one of my friend, mutual friend, ma'am, he suggested me here. So I came to know about this.
Okay, so what was the syllabus in CMTI, Pradeep? What was the new thing you learned in CMTI?
Yes, ma'am. Regarding construction and interiors, both they are training here. So in construction, quantity survey, bar bending schedules, so bill of quantities, and everything they have trained. And in interiors, cut list and and interiors classes they have taken. So and software classes, AutoCAD, SketchUps. So both they are trained.
Okay, so how was your site visits?
Yes, ma'am. We visited more visits here. So regarding construction, residential buildings and also commercial buildings. And for interiors, we visited home lanes, design cafe, true interiors like that. We visited. It was very good experience. We gain practical knowledge.
Okay. Then how was the trainers during the courses, Pradeep? So whether they were interacting to you, clearing your doubts.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, everyone are experienced persons only. So they teach us basics from basics. So it was very nice.
Okay. So what about CMTI app? How did that help you, Pradeep?
Yeah, actually, it is very good app. And so if you miss any classes, anything, and if you have any doubts, when if any faculties are not available, that time it was very useful.
Okay. So how was your interview process? How did you crack the interview?
So, ma'am, actually, I attended uh, two interviews. Like this one is second attempt mine. It was good, and that before we went for interview, so they gave the mic interview also, and they will explain about. They'll provide the mic interviews. Ma'am. It will help us to crack the interview.
So how was the staffs of CMTI during the courses and all?
Yeah, yes, ma'am. Everyone are cooperate with us. Very nice. So if you after the class, if you want any notes or anything, so if you have any doubts regarding the courses or anything, they will give information, proper informations. They'll clear our doubts.
Okay. So finally, what do you want to say to your friends and juniors, Pradeep?
As ma'am, I will refer my friends to here. So it is best platform for everyone who is a freshers. So if they come here, they will get very good practical knowledge. So they will have a good experience of 3 months. So
Okay.
yes, ma'am.
Uh, Thank you, Pradeep. Thanks for your feedback. And once again, congrats for your placement and all the best for your future. Thank you,
Thank you.
Pradeep.
Thank you, ma'am.